Okay, dear friends, I'm back with another machine on the Hackthebox, which is teacher. I've already spawned the machine earlier. This is the IP address of this machine. As always, I'd like to use the Pentesting, which is online Pilot OS, to do this preparation. Before we start today's journey, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. This will help me very, very much. So enough said, let's just get started. We can switch over to the viewer of the Pilot OS or the GUI. As you can see, I've already done the scanning earlier, and with the option like scene scan, the version scan, the default script scan, and also the comprehensive scan or full range port scan. If you follow along my video series, I think this is a very, very, very standard methodology to do the mmap scanning. So from the mmap scanning results, as you can see over here, there is just only one open port, 80, and which is running HTTP service, and also the version information, which is Apache 2. So what we are going to do next, of course, we need to do the immersion for the web application. First, we need to use the manual way. Let's open up our browser. And make it bigger so you can see what's going on. And then put the IP address of the target into the address bar. Let's press enter. Yeah, we got the page back. So it's time to get back to school. And we can scroll down to see what this site is about. And also we can check the source code of this page, of this home page, which doesn't reveal any interesting information. So next, maybe we can check whether this site has robots file. I'd like to use the command line, which is much better. And we can use the Q. Let's press enter. Yeah, sorry, I forgot to put the robots txt. Let's hit enter. Yeah, not found. So next, maybe we can use the Ligato. Let's press enter. You know, Ligato can reveal a lot of information. For example, like architecture of the web application, some vulnerabilities, and also misconfigurations, or some like common files or directories. So this is a very, very useful tool for the web application immersion. And here we wait for this to be completed. Yeah, we got some directory like CSS, menu, images. But I think, we are doing the CTF-like machines. One very important point I'd like to raise is that we cannot neglect any information, for example, like directories. In this case, it's images. If you neglect this directory, maybe you will miss important entry to exploit the target. And now we can go to the directory of images. Yeah, my machine is not running quickly as normal as before. And we can images. Let's press enter. Yeah, in this directory, there are several or so many pictures But if you take a look at the size or the attributes of the different images, at the end of each line, display the size of each picture. And as we scroll down, this one, the size is very small. The picture, normally the PNG file is a bit big, like several kilobytes. So I think this need to get our attention very much. So I'd like to download this picture from the target, and we can use the wget. I like command line very much rather than through browser to do this. And we just paste the URL and put the file name PNG. Let's press enter. We get this picture, or from the name, from the extension we know, maybe this, of course, in most cases such extension means this file is picture. However, if we use the file command to display the attribute, the file type of this file, it's not a picture, it's a text file. So we can use the cat command to retrieve the content of this file. Hi, service desk. I forgot the last character of my password. The only part I remembered is this one. Could you guys figure out what the last character is or just reset it? And this is the username, of course. I think here the author is giving us the hint. Maybe we need to create our own dictionary for the password, although at this point we don't have entry to log in. But anyway, we can create this dictionary first. Okay, so the tool I'd like to use is Crunch. And of course here there are 14 characters in total. So the total length of a password should be 5. Maybe we can just press enter to give us the help of this utility. We need to specify the minimum length and the maximum length of the password. So we can use crunch 15 and 15. And we need to specify the regular expression. And of course, the first part should be this one. We just make a copy. We need to include all possible character. And we can maybe here this one. Sorry, not this one. Maybe we can open up the Google search engine to search how to use Crunch. I think this should be what I'm looking for. We need to use the regular expression. For example, this one, the at represents lowercase and the comma represents uppercase letters and percent represents numbers. Okay, so we can use this symbol to create our dictionary, and we can write into the dict.txt. All right. Now we can, of course, this time we need to append. And the symbol should be %. Let's press enter. And then comma. Comma stands for uppercase letter. the last one. Let's press enter. Yeah. The dictionary has been generated by Crunch, and we can check how many words in this dictionary. Okay, we can put this dictionary aside, and later we can use this to make cracking, password cracking. Okay, so now I think we need to do some directory enumeration, right? We can use the GoBuster directory. And the word list. As usual, I'd like to use the GoBuster as my word list. And the extension option, HTML, TXT, like that. Let's press enter. Yeah, you know, the GoBuster, the gallery, I think cannot give us some interesting information. And I just let it run, and when it's finished, and I will come back. Alright, GoBuster has already discovered several directories and files, but this one caught my attention very much because this is the panel or the portal for the database management, and we can go to this directory. PHP myadmin. But it's forbidden. We don't have permission to access this directory. And now we can go back. And another one is Moodle. And we can access this one. Moodle. Let's press enter. Yeah, we are having trouble finding that site. We need to put this host name or domain name into the host file. Let's do it now. Yeah, to save time, I'd like to interrupt from the directory enumeration. Then we can put the IP address and the domain name or host name teacher HTTP and tunnel to sudo host file. Let's press enter. Yeah, it's done. Now we can go back to browser and refresh the page or the site. Yeah, we got the page back. Yeah, the teacher, I think this is some sort of the course management system, right? And actually, we can use the Google search engine to make research to see what the Moodle is about. But anyway, here as you can see, you're not logged in. Of course, we can click this link and take us this user login portal and or the window, whatever, and we can try the admin and admin login, but invalid login. And then I can try if this form or this site has login bypass technique. vulnerability, sorry, not technique. And we can put in here. Login. But failed. However, we can log in as a guest. And here we can click algebra. You know, when I did the machine the first time, from the pattern of the URL, I guess, yeah, maybe this site or this page has SQL injection vulnerability. So we can use the SQL map to test this vulnerability. But I can tell you, yeah, I found nothing. So what can we do now? You know, just now the author has already given us the hint. Yeah, we can cut the content of the this file PNG. Yeah, so maybe the username should be this one, and then we can use the dictionary to crack the password. Yeah, for this panel. So how to do it? We can use the Hydra, but first we need to get the request details, okay, and construct the command with Hydra. So now we can log in. Now we can get inspect function open and go to the network tab. Here we can put the username. Yeah, already prepared. Yeah, not this one. Maybe I can. So we can copy. All right, and then we can put in here. But at this moment, we don't have any valid password, right? So we can log in. So here we can get the post request and the details, right? And we can, this one. So now we can get this is the request URL, and then we can use the Hydra to crack the post form. We can use the Hydra. In the L option, we can put the username as this one. And the dictionary, of course, is our own or custom dictionary. Dict. And the target teacher HTTP. And we want to crack post method or post form, right? Rather than HTTP get. And we can put the file name or the relative path. This one we can make a copy. I think I need to put the slash. And then we can put the request. And we can turn to the raw and we can make a copy of this request body. But we need to use placer to replace the username field and the password field. I've been using the Hydra very often. This is very, very, very powerful to crack the password for the web, not only web application like SSH, FTP. Many different types of protocols or service we can crack pass. All right, and also we need to put the error message. Error message should be, we just make a copy of this. No need to copy the entire message. So the Hydra can differentiate between the success request and failed request, right? So we can put in here. And let's press enter. This will not take a very long time because the dictionary is very small. All right, so we just wait for this to be finished. Yeah, the password has been found, and I've already noted down this password into my notebook. So now we can use this information to log in. However, I'd like to use the, search sprite to see whether we can. Maybe I'd like to replay, not to do that. I'd like to replay the process of my first experience. Yeah, the first time I did this machine. Okay, so now I can copy the username. Maybe I can close down the develop tool, and we can. Yeah, my machine is so terrible. The speed is so terrible. Sorry about that. We can make a copy, and then we can put it in here, and then we can copy the password. Log in. Yeah, we can successfully log in to the target. And here, if we navigate, this one on the left column, this one private files caught my much attention, because here we can upload a file like a reverse PHP reverse file. Although, we can upload the file, but I cannot find the location of this file. So we cannot get the initial foothold or initial shell by this way. So how to do it? I cannot find any other entry to upload a file. Okay, so maybe we can use the search sprite to to see whether this target or this CMS has some vulnerabilities. Search and Moodle. Yeah, there's so many or several exploits we can utilize. Of course, at this point, we don't know the version of this Moodle or this CMS. When I did the machine, I tried to use different exploits. The first one I'd like to try is this one, the Metasploit, because the Metasploit is very convenient to use, to operate, but failed to get the shell. To save time, of course, for us, we need to try this different. Of course, we just focus on the remote code execution, because we have already got the credentials for the login, right? So next aim for us is to get the code executed or run the remote code. And but to save time, I'd like to go to the correct one. Okay, this one. This one. I've already copied this exploit to my current working directory. Yeah, this one. So we just run. Yeah, this is the PHP file. And we can cut. Yeah, I've already. Yeah, this is. I got this. Also, we can got the exploit from the exploit database. They are just same. So this is the usage. We can use this one to get the shell. And we just follow the instruction here. This is the PHP script, PHP. And we need to specify the URL, right? URL teacher and the Moodle. All right, and the user should be this one. And the password. And also, so what else we need to configure? Yeah, this is the listening IP address or our own machine, right? In this case, IP should be our own machine. And the port number, next one should be port number 555. All right, and also we need to set the course ID. But at this moment, I don't know the course ID. So we just put the 1 to see whether this can work. And as you can see here, instructed by this exploit, yeah, make sure you are running a netcat listener. All right, we can set up the listener by running netcat sudo and the port number. Let's press enter. Now we can run. Yeah, the loading course failed. So this course exists or not and belong to the teacher. So I think the course ID is incorrect. And if we go to so we can go to the course, not this one, dashboard, site home. Yeah, I think this should be the course. And the general, maybe I can put. So maybe the course should be 2, not 1, right? So we can modify. Modify the course ID to 2. And let's press enter. It looks like it's working. Now we can go to the, but it's not working. Very weird. Oh, sorry, I put the IP address wrongly. Sorry about that. But it's fine. We just modify this IP address to my machine. I think now we can get. Still not successful. Very weird. So the IP address, login, very weird. The port number, maybe I need, from the output we can know, yeah, this exploit is working. However, I didn't get the reverse shell. I need to fix this issue. Yeah, very weird. As you can see, I've already got the shell or reverse shell from the target. I didn't do anything else. I just run this command again. Alright, anyway, we have already got the reverse shell from the target, which is wonderful. Then we can run the Python to spawn the pty spawn the bin bash shell. Alright, now I think we need to do some local immersion. For example, here, yeah, there is just only one user. At this moment, we don't have permission to navigate into this home directory of this current, or not of the user Ghibli. And we can go to the var. Of course, you also can upload the NimPairs shell script, but yeah, in this case, this is also very common practice. How to enumerate information locally, because we know the target is running MyCircle, and we need to find the configuration files which contains database credentials, right? And we can go to the HTML directory and go to the module. Yeah, sorry, the video has been going on very long time, but just give me more patience. And as we scroll up, yeah, config. So we can cut the config file. Yeah, always this configuration file contains the credentials for database connection. So we just make a copy and log in to the database. All right, we can show databases. Of course, we are interested in the module database. And show tables. Yeah, we are looking for information of the table, the user table, right? So we can select and the MDL user. Yeah, we got or dump the data of this table, and here, yeah, different username, but this one, you know, as you know, this one is the in empty file. Maybe we can crack this password, and I've already opened up this one, this website crack station, and decrypt this hash. The result is expelled. So now we can switch. Of course, I can exit from the database, and now we can switch to the given expelled. All right. Now what can we do? We need to elevate our privilege to root user, right? But this user, and also we can use the find command to look for the SUID command. But anyway, here we need to do some, first we can retrieve the user flag. And then we can go to the work directory to see what it's about. Yeah, and then we can go to the courses directory. Yeah, I think it's just some course. So now we can go to the temp directory. A bit suspicious, right? Why temp directory is here? And from the, this is the backup courses, the TRGZ, right? And from the timestamp of this file, yeah, this is just the time what I'm recording the video. So yeah, we can deduce that the target or the server is running some scheduled task, the cron job. To confirm this, we can upload the PSPY to the target, right? Now we can open another tab. Yeah, maybe I need to go to the Google. Sorry about the video has been going too long. And the PSPY, but I don't want to end here. PSPY, and we can go to the GitHub. And then we can go to the release. And then we can download this PSPY. And we can move this file to our working directory. All right, now we can upload this file or this utility to the target, and to do it is very easy. We can just set up the web server by Python. All right, now we can navigate to temp directory. Maybe here is okay, it's fine. We can wget and PSPY. Let's press enter, and we can make it PSPY. You know, PSPY is so powerful because it can display processes, even the process of the root user, and even in the case the current user doesn't have the privilege of a root user. So this is very, very useful. But to save time, I like to give you the point of the exploitation. You know, the target is running this shell script, user bin backup. Yeah, this one. However, we don't have a permission to change the content of this shell script. Backup. Yeah, as you can see, this shell script is go into this work directory and then make a tar and go to the temp directory and tar. But at the end, we'll run the change mode to 777 or full permissions. So maybe we can manipulate this point to elevate our privilege. We can go to the home directory, Valley, go to the work directory, go to the temp directory. We can make a soft link or sim link. We can use this one. Backup. If we run, check the permission here. Yeah, now we just we don't have any change for this shell script. However, if we wait about 1 minute or 2 minutes, this permission of this file will be modified by the cron job. This cron job will run the change mode, and because we in our working directory, this one, not working directory, temp directory, we have create the soft link, and this soft link will link to this original file, and then we'll try to change or modify the permission for this file. You can backup. As you can see, we have a right to. We have all permission to this file, and I think now we can append the command like bin bash and a different port number. Backup. And before we run that, we can set up the listener first. Sudo. Let's press enter. Now we can press enter. Now we just wait about maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes, and then we can get, as you can see, we have already got another collection. Now we can go to the root directory and then retrieve the root flag. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Sorry about again for this video, which have been going a very long time. So I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.